So, hello coders, in this video I will show you how to make a Flappy Bird game in code.org. So now, let's get started. But first, if you have not clicked on the subscribe button, please do click on the subscribe button to get more coding, programming language, computer tips and tricks videos. So now, here we will make the Flappy Bird game in 5 steps. First step, open the code.org. Second step, create an account in code.org. Third step, create a Flappy project. Fourth step, start the design. Fifth step, main block coding. Okay, so now let's move to the first step, that is open the code.org website. So here you have to add code.org like this here, add and just click on the enter button. So you will see like this screen. I will give you the link in the description box. So now let's move to the second step, that is create an account in code.org. So for opening an account in code.org, we will click on the sign in button. So now here you can see like this. If you have already created like by email, you can log in. Or if you want to open it like this, just click on continue with Google, Facebook, Microsoft. So now let me click on the continue with Google. So here you have, so now so here you will see like this screen. So now what you have to do, here you have to select the account tab. Okay, whoever you are. So I am a student, selected the student. Okay, and then enable this checkbox. And if you want me about this, just click on the yes, I want updates. Okay, so here you will add your username. I have already added. Age you can add that my age is 13. Just add your gender. Okay, and now let's click on the go to my account button and Flappy project. So for that we will scroll down and here you can see view full list button. Just click on that and here you will see Flappy in the game with events. Okay, here are many games, you can do that. Okay, and if you want tutorials on that, just comment down. And if you get any error while logging or any in code, just comment down. Okay, so let's click on the Flappy button. This interface. Okay, and now let's move to the fourth step, that is to start the design. So now here you can see the rename button. Let's click here and this is the project name. Okay, so whatever is your project name, just write it here. And here let me double. Okay, and let's click on the save button. And here is your project name. And here you will get your username. This is the block sections which you have to drag and bring in the workspace section. Okay, and this is your running interface. That much. And now let's move to this designing. So first we will add a scene. Scene means a background. Okay, so here we will add a scene as a day. So here you can add Sky-Fi. So let me show you. Let me see it Sky-Fi come. But I want city day, so let me add it. Okay, so now here we'll add the ground too. Okay, ground will be ground. I want the ground only. Okay, and now here we will add an obstacle, means you know that pipe and comes pipe, yeah, that. And here you are laser, chimney, cave, plant, Sky-Fi, and random also here. It will become random. Okay, so now here we'll add a player. Is who will play this? Who is the player? So this is our player. Oh, I deleted it. So this is our player. So here we'll add it yellow bird, you can add whatever player you want. And here now let's come at set code 0, and here we will add the speed of it, which will be very, here the speed will contain your difficulty level. So if you want very hard, just click on very fast. I don't what you will, it will be very fast that you will not able to. Okay, it will be very hard. Okay, so now let's move to the last step, that is the main block coding. So this is the designing, it will come in the design stage. I don't, yeah, here it has become the obstacles and it are randomized. See, here you can see the sizes are another. So now here we'll add when click. So when we will click the screen, see, it should fly, no? Means it should take a flap. So this is a flap at a normal amount. You can make an amazing that. See here you can see you can make but I want normal. It's up to yours how much games will be your harder. So this is this, and here you can add a play a wing sound. Okay, and when the player will hit the ground. Okay, so here if it hit the ground, the game should be ended. Okay, so the game will be ended. Here we'll add a sound that will be loose. Smash. Okay, smash. Yeah, that's amazing. And when it will hit, means hit the obstacles, that only code, just paste it. Okay, and again. Okay, that is the C. And when it will pass the obstacle, see, is okay, so you can see it is coming like that. And when it will pass through, it will go. So it should get a point, score a point. Okay, and like this is our app, means our game has been done. You can share the game in this, and just click on the copy link to project. Just copy this. Okay, and publish to it. Okay, you can publish it because it has manager. Just click on share and just copy this link and paste in the comment box below. Okay, like this. Here I will paste it that only. Just paste it. I will comment and I will give you likes. I will see that my it's working. Okay, game is, and if you get any error, just comment down. The comment section is for you only. Okay, so now that's this much only in this video. See you in the next video, but first let's run our project. Yeah, it's working or not. Let's, sorry, I'm lose noob in this game, so don't tell me. If you're pro, just make this game, it's free of cost. Okay, so this much in this tutorial of code.org. See, like this, please like the video, subscribe my channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video soon. Till bye bye. Thanks for watching.